Guys, somebody help me. Today we got the iPad Air. We got the iPad Air 4. And also, let's just act like I didn't already take the plastic off this thing. It's brand new. Trust me, it's brand new. If you guys do not want to miss my iPhone 12 unboxing, make sure you stay subscribed and also turn on post notifications. I know I'm late, but let's get to it. So I have my iPad Air 4th gen right here, guys, and this is the one I would recommend for anyone who've always been interested in an iPad. For example, if you always wanted an iPad but you couldn't afford the iPad Pro, which is super expensive at $1,000, this iPad Air comes in at just, I think, $600 for the 64 gigs version. And also it doesn't have those ugly bezels. It looks premium, it looks nice. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Alright guys, so as I said before, no juicy ASMR plastic for you guys. But there we go. We have the green iPad Air in all its glory. Let's rest this to the side, take a look at the paperwork we have inside here. So as usual, we get our Apple paperwork. I'm not sure if we get Apple stickers. Do we get Apple stickers? I can't recall getting Apple stickers with my other iPad, so let's see. We saved it. So we get 2 Apple stickers inside, guys. I don't know why people go crazy over Apple stickers and don't really use them. I just always collect them anyways. But we do get Apple stickers, and unlike the iPhone 12, we get our power brick. So this is our fast charge power brick right here. So this will juice up our iPad super quickly. So we're not really saving the environment with this unboxing, I guess. So USB-C to USB-C. If you're used to Lightning, this is not the Lightning cable. It's a USB-C to USB-C. Hopefully I got that straight. Now let's take a look at the iPad itself. And as I said before, I got the green one. Super slick. It's kind of like a mint green. Let's do this. There we go. Come to Papa. So this is a 10.9 inch iPad Air, very close to the 11-inch iPad Pro, which I have right there. And as I mentioned before, we have those nice bezels, A14 Bionic chip. That's what found in the iPhone, I think the iPhone 12 right here. Yeah, the iPhone 12 uses the same chip as the iPad Air, so you know this thing is fast. But let me just quickly run through the process for you guys. So let me get my iPad Pro to show you how similar these things look. So this is my iPad Pro right here, guys, and also accessories like this, which is the Magic Keyboard, works with the iPad Air. So if you guys could look from here, you can't really tell what is what. So on the right, this is my iPad Pro 11-inch. On the left, this is my iPad Air. So as you can see, guys, the bezels are slightly, ever so slightly thinner on the iPad Pro. If we go on to the back now, this is where we see all the major differences between the two. So the iPad Air has one single camera, while the iPad Pro has 2 cameras and also a LiDAR sensor. So we have a wide angle and a regular main shooter on the iPad, but we do not get Face ID on the iPad Air. So if you guys wanted to see Face ID, we don't get Face ID on here, but instead we have this nice Touch ID fingerprint reader on the power button, which is super cool. I'm super excited to test that out as well. But let's just go ahead and boot this thing up, guys. So this is actually how you set up your iPad, your old iPad with your new iPad. So you want to just put them together. It would recognize it. You want to hit setup iPad, hit continue. Then it will prompt on this other one. You want to hold the iPad over the old one, over the new one. Hold the old iPad over the new one, scan. It will say waiting for iPad. You want to enter your passcode on your previous iPad. So let me go ahead and enter my passcode. So for me, it's you have on your older iPad, which is my iPad Pro. And then as you can see, you could transfer from iPad or find other options. So if you literally could just mirror your older iPad onto your new one, which is super dope. And that's how easy Apple makes it when you're transferring between old and newer devices. So as I was talking before, guys, this one, as I said, it works with the Apple Pencil. And also you could use your Magic Keyboard from your older iPad. So this is an 11-inch iPad Magic Keyboard. And as you can see, boom, it works just as fine. As you can see right here. And we also have the cutout at the back for you guys as well. So it only has a single camera. It might look kind of weird, but it works. So while it's restoring from the iCloud, I just want to show you guys that this iPad Air also supports the second gen Apple Pencil. So if you look closely onto here, guys, this is not the 5G band, this is the magnets for the Apple Pencil. So if we snap this on, it's not as snappy as the iPad Pro, but as you can see, our Apple Pencil works just fine. And look how nice this looks. So these are the two iPads I have, iPad Pro and iPad Air. So yes guys, that was my quick unboxing of the iPad Air. As I said before, I will be doing more extensive reviews, check on the cameras, the front camera, the back camera, and also the speakers, everything like that. Put it to the test, play some games, and then I'll do my full opinions on the iPad Air. So yes guys, if you enjoyed this short unboxing, drop a like down below, and don't forget, iPhone 12's unboxing is coming real soon. As always guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.